time he's running all over the place. There you go. Oops. One bunny. Gonna go Starbucks? Huh? Go Starbucks and see all the peeps? Go see all the peeps at Starbucks? Yeah? Yes, I... Go. Let's get you hooked up so you don't fall out of your cart like you did last time. What? Plop! Ah! Shoot. Got the camera. Alright. Let's fix the camera. Let's go to Starbucks. In here. Hello. Oh, thank you. And we're here. Huh? You like to people watch, don't you? That's why you like this. She loves this little thing, because then she can look out the sides and feel safe. And luckily she's afraid of heights, so she's never jumped out. But there's always a first. Ah, you can go to Starbucks and go over to, well, we're at Starbucks. I'm gonna go over to Petco and where the pets go, right? Yeah. Get going to Petco, where the pets go. And now I'm recording. Some litter. Got your litter, you stinky butt. There we go. Let me get one or two of these. And any other one. They like the fish. Anything that has tuna. Ocean whitefish. That should be enough for them for now. Also, I usually get these for my rabbit. She loves to chew those things up. And they last her quite a while. They're like, they're only about $30 or so. Yeah, about 28, 30 bucks. I usually try to keep an eye out for some damaged ones and they'll give them a discount. But yeah, keep her teeth ground down. And I've never had a problem with her with those. What do you use if you have a rabbit? What do you give them to keep them entertained? Ace.
is Farrah.
That's BB.
Farrah Louise. Look, Farrah, it's BB.
Yes.
She wanted to play with the rabbit the other day.
Oh.
That was for sale, and she kept bugging me. Oh my goodness!
She's pretty good with. Oh yeah. She's very friendly with people. As long as you don't try to touch her stuff, and then she might try to nip at you. And that's Missy Blackberry. She's like, oh my gosh.
Did you see that, your friend? You smell it?
Is he just an assist dog, or is he in training, or is he a therapy dog?
She's just mine, and I just take her everywhere with me, so I just keep it legal so people leave me alone.
Yeah.
I've had her since she was 6 weeks old, and I trained another one. My sister is disabled.
Yeah.
So eventually my sister will need a bigger dog.
Oh, yeah.
And so Farrah will probably have to help my sister.
She's beautiful.
She's really strong.
Oh.
Yeah.
Phoenix. Get some stuff printed up. Okay. Well, welcome to the Pencil Budgeter. I guess I should have done an intro before I did this. Like I said, I've never done a haul, and this is my envelope cash stuffing haul. I'm single, so I don't really need a whole lot. So you're probably looking at this stuff going, dude, that will get me through in one day. Yeah, my family of 20. No, but this is the haul. I have some kitty food. And actually, I did it really good on this one. So usually I go to Trader Joe's and gets their everything stuff, and this is pretty much everything that they have in it. Does it have sesame seeds? Yeah, it does even have sesame seeds, and it was like 99 cents. I'm like, awesome. And some spray, and I didn't get the paint that you probably saw in there because it was when I got up there, it's like it take all my spending money, and I can always get it down the road if I want. I still have some stain. I need to go to the Lowe's and maybe get some more stain. Out of all that stuff, I usually just take this because I don't like the idea of having a purse or something like that. I see some of them who just like take one of these, and I'm almost afraid I'm going to leave that somewhere. This one's a little more noticeable, and people aren't going to likely just say, "Hey, it's money in there, it's purse," unless they look into it. But yeah. So from the fur babies, I need to get them some flea and tick. I might actually just take that out of my vet envelope, and that way I can at least get all of them, even our little ferals that we have out there. So they have some, so they ain't pick anything up since it's to that season. I got $21 left on them. Here's my Pynn. And I can write down 21 is left, and I'll do some subtracting later. 21. It's 10. Oops, I'm going to write between the lines. Shopping. Hi. Yeah. Do you wear your glasses on top of your head and then forget where they're at? Me too. All right. Actually, not too bad for. I'll try to just keep. Oh, I have litter too. Big thing of litter. You know that. For that smelly bunny. Smelly bunny. Some spending. Did I spend all my spending? Oh, I got $5 left, so not bad. I'll probably take the spending and the groceries and put it into my Costco because I'm going to need to get some stuff. 10 shopping. I got $5 left, and I'll do the adding subtracting later. My brain cells are not firing on all cylinders today. Oh, if you got a Fetch app or Ibotta or whatever those little things are, make sure you scan them in. This one I did like 3,000 points for my Fetch, and that's like $3. And I usually near Christmas I'll cash it out. And Ibotta, if you have it linked up with your some of these like the grocery stores, you automatically get the 50 cent off or the $1 off. And I usually see what Ibotta's things are on sale and what I eat, and then I'll go from there and see if it's worth getting it or not. You don't have to get everything that's on those apps either, so I've got $11 left on groceries, so I didn't do too bad between the Fetch and shopping on what's on season and what's getting discounted, and did okay. Okay, $6.10, $11. 160. Oh, I did not have 160. I had $60. I'm going. If I had 160 and only had like $11 left, then I didn't do that well. But yeah, I'm with what I eat. I usually keep like the stuff that has carbs and stuff down to like cheapy small things, and I'll add like extra veggies and extra meat to these as well. And these are usually I'll eat like if I'm going to be doing a lot of work in the garden, or if I'm going to gym and stuff, and I know I'm going to be doing a lot of exercise. That way I know it's going to work its way out of my system faster, and I get a little extra carb, but yet I'm not overdoing it every day. So I usually keep my carb and starchy foods to about maybe 2 or 3 times a week, if that. And then I usually meats and veggies and fruits, usually seasonal, whatever the thing. I do have some chips, but I keep it out of potatoes. I do corn. You probably like same dang thing, but no. I actually had a bag I had to throw out because it went stale. So a lot of times I don't even go through the whole thing. I'll put this stuff back in here. Coffee, Visa, and it should be groceries. Oops, that's gas. Groceries should be here. Groceries. And then I just take them out of here and put them in my little thingy. Spending fur babies. And I'll fix those later on or add it to my end of the week thingy. Spending next to my target, because usually if I need to go over anything, it's usually the spending that I do. Okay, well, thank you for shopping with me and BB today. Let me know if you enjoyed, the shopping type of stuff. I do like cash hauls and shop with me type of thing. I'm weird. I like that type of stuff. So let me know if you like that type of stuff. And if you do that type of stuff, if you film it, let me know how you do it, and if there's anything I need to that might help me make it easier, and vice versa. And yeah, be awesome. But thank you again. Have a wonderful, whenever this might come out on Wednesday, I'm not sure, but Have a wonderful Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever day it might be. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Thank you.